Welcome back to Why is Water Important to Life? We're continuing on this concept of universal solvent. Water is a universal solvent. Well, if it's universal, looking at these two pictures, how come the picture on the left doesn't have a dissolving of two materials? Picture on the right does, but the picture on the left does not. That's because this word universal does not necessarily mean everything. Universal does not mean everything dissolves. It just means most things do. Water will dissolve most things. The reason is we use this term like dissolves like. And what that means is charged particles will attract to other charged particles and therefore dissolve each other. In other words, polar things will dissolve polar things. And many of the chemicals we want to use in our bodies, many of the chemicals that are necessary for life are polar, and therefore water will dissolve them. This also means that nonpolar particles and polar particles do not mix because they are unlike each other, so they do not mix. And the stronger the attraction we have between two particles, the more solute will be dissolved in the solvent. To investigate this property, you are going to do 3 different activities. Again, this will be a hybrid activity. Station number one, investigate the ability of water and other solvents to dissolve various substances. So you'll figure out what is universal. Is water universal? Are other things a universal solvent? Second thing, we're going to watch a video. You're also going to create a vocabulary log for the entire chapter. And the third station, you will apply the universal solvent abilities of water to real life through a reading. So you have a reading to do as a group, answer some questions, things like that. Enjoy and go learn.